Ladies and gentlemen, the Beatles!
Hey everybody, Looks into Swirl here, new day, new Tumblr project. We are going to do something that was suggested by a viewer, and a long enough time has passed since she suggested it that I cannot remember who she was. And I can't find the comment. So if you're that viewer and you remember suggesting this when you watch this video, pop down to the comment section and remind me so that I can put your name in the description area and give you proper credit for this, because I did not think of this. I have a 30-ounce thick sublimation tumbler. We are not doing sublimation. I am actually working with foils today, but I grabbed this because it is ready to go. I don't have to sand it or wash it or spray paint it or anything. It's a white tumbler and it's ready to go. So I am going to take some foil adhesive from Artsyville from the Artistic Painting Studio. Links to everything below as always. And I'm going to put a little bit on some scrap paper and use that to brush onto the tumbler. It's still very runny. I added some water to this, probably too much, but should be okay. I just want it to spread nicely. And I am going to paint on a nice thin even layer, and we'll see if it sticks to this. It might not. Oh good, it is. I was a little afraid on the shiny sublimation surface it would start to bead up and not stick, but it's sticking good. So I'm going to let this dry for about 15-20 minutes. I'm going to come back and apply a second coat. I won't make you watch that. I'll just be doing again what I just did. And then I'll let the whole thing dry for about 45 minutes to an hour, and I'll bring you back for the next part, which will be the foil application. And we're back. All right, so now I'm going to explain what we're doing. This is the cup that kind of launched the idea that someone suggested. If you did not see how I made this tumbler, I will link to it below. And I will also link to the video on my other channel where I came up with the original idea, which was printable vinyl with foils on it, because that's what started me down this path that led to this cup on this channel. And because I did this, I have ended up with the negative. So the suggestion was figure out a way to get the negative onto a tumbler. And I think that is a fantastic idea. Again, I would not have thought of this on my own, so thank you. I only have one of these left. I think I made 2 cups, and I also made 2 other sheets of the printable vinyl on the other channel. So I should have 3 more of these negatives, but I don't. For whatever reason, this is the only one I have left. So we're gonna try it. If I screw it up and it doesn't work, I can make more. Hopefully that won't happen. The key thing to remember here is this is the top of the cup going this way. Now y'all know I have trouble with these foils flipping up on me and misbehaving in general. So I'm just gonna do my best and hope for the best. And I'm really nervous about it, but yeah, here we go. Okay. That went all right. It's not perfect. It's all right. It's a lot less wonky than I thought it was going to be perfectly honest with you. So now I'm going to take my little soft brush here. I did have a bigger scrub brush, and of course, because I am an art supply hoarder, I can't find anything. So I know it's here somewhere. It has not revealed itself to me in the past 2 months when I've looked for it. I'll find it someday when I don't need it anymore. Let's see how we're doing here in terms of transfer. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah, now it's going to start sticking badly where there's no foil and probably pulling things. It's very sticky. Oh, wow. That was some serious fighting with plastic. That's what that was. All right. I'm actually not unhappy. Okay, so far so good. Now I still have a bunch here that tore because I was so busy pulling on the big spots, but we'll hopefully be able to get that off. We did it, folks. That's actually better than I was expecting. Is it perfect? No. Did I think it was going to be? No. But it's better than I expected. It truly is. All right. Now, I still have a bunch of sticky spots on this tumbler. All right, I have some pieces left. 2 small pieces. Some of the top rim, just so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'll go around and I'll do more of that around the rim, touch up the little bits that are left, and I'll bring you back when it's time to put a layer of resin on it.